kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadian baka Kynhun Myntri kalada bansong yaka jian lang kabala long hakas nginengkong jong ka sau tarik ubanay naitung Hajar arpawar. Hakabede bat ka jing Pynkiew yaka Tulop ki Nonghikai. Kumta hakate ka jian lang ka Kynhun Myntri kalaya kren hakabede bat ki sau talikiman. Hakaban ningkong kabaki layak ren kalong ban Pynkiew yaka Tulop ki Nonghikai Adhoc ki bahadu menta kite ki Nonghikai kidang penlong yaka jinga ki jongki daga basa miet hasurong hakmat jongka office additional secretarian habakren chakilat pathai khubor u Myntri rang ba ka jilla u konrad ki sangma u lapan bana baya ki Nonghikai higher secondary ki Nonghikai secondary bat ki Nonghikai ki bahikai yaka subject science ka Kynhun Myntri kalarai ban Pynkiew yaka Tulop ka jongki da khandai Hajar tingka hagaba ki Nonghikai higher secondary ki baju yo 8,000 tingka shibanai menta ken yo no laipholai Hajar tingka ki Nonghikai secondary ki baju yo 8,000 tingka shibanai ken yo no 8 khandai Hajar tingka shibanai bat ki Nonghikai science ki baju yo 8,000 tingka shibanai ken yo no laipholai Hajar tingka shibanai Hakabayadai bat ki Nonghikai ki bahap hapo ka upper primary, lower primary, ki Nonghikai ki bashim Hindi bat ki Nonghikai SSE. Larai ban Kynhun ya ka Tulop ka jongki, dahan riu Hajar tingka. Hakaba ki Nonghikai upper primary ki baju yo khat riu Hajar tingka shibanai, ken yo no 8,000 tingka shibanai. Ki Nonghikai lower primary ki baju yo khat 8,000 tingka shibanai, ken yo no khat 1,000 tingka shibanai. Ki Nonghikai ki bashim ya ka subject Hindi ki baju yo khat 8,000 tingka shibanai ken yo no khat 1,000 tingka shibanai bat ki Nonghikai SSE ki baju yo khat 8,000 tingka shibanai ken yo no khat 1,000 tingka shibanai.
And in the cabinet meeting there were 4 agendas that were discussed. The first agenda was regarding the enhancement of salary or enhancement of grant in aid, I should say, grant in aid to the ad hoc school teachers. This was the first agenda that was discussed. As you are all aware that the ad hoc schools are privately run schools which have their own independent managing committees. And in the previous years, government of Meghalaya has been providing aid to these privately run schools run by the managing committees, and certain amount of lump sum grant is given every month to these schools. There has been a demand from the teachers who are working in these private schools run by the management committees that this grant in aid which the government of Meghalaya gives should be enhanced. As you're aware, in the year 2017, in the month of June, there was enhancement that was made at that point in time, and based on the different memorandums that have come, the education department has put up a proposal which the cabinet discussed in detail, and we have decided to enhance the grant in aid to these privately run ad hoc schools. For the different categories that are there, the higher secondary, the secondary and the science teachers, the cabinet has decided as that the enhancement will be 9,000 rupees for this category, which means the higher secondary teacher who used to get 24,000 will get 33,000 now. The secondary teachers who used to get 20,000 will get 29,000, and the science teachers who used to get 22,000 will get 31,000. The other category is the UP, the LP and the Hindi teachers, and also the 4th teacher of the SSA. In these 4 categories, we have decided to enhance the salary by 6,000, which means the upper primary teachers who used to get 16,000 rupees will now get 22,000 rupees. The LP school teachers who used to get 12,000 will get 18,000 rupees. The Hindi teachers who used to get 12,000 will also get 18,000 rupees. And the 4th teacher for the SSA who used to also get 12,000 rupees will get 18,000 rupees now. So the total impact of this will be roughly about 100 crores annually. So from 212 crores which is given now, in the coming years, every year the enhancement will go by, as I said, go up by about 100 crores. So roughly about 310 plus minus crores will be the impact. So there's about 100 crores impact will be there on the overall amount that the government will have to spend.